3, 2. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I'm just making this little video to show you a little technique I came up with myself. Now, for this, you're going to need a few things. Armature wire, a 3D pen, and an old medicine bottle, particularly cut to the right size. What you're going to want to do is first use a 3D pen and make a cap like this. You're going to want to make 2 of them. It's basically, it would become something like this. You want to make 4 of these. They can be as long as you want, this part, but this size got to be like around that. What you're going to do is then take your cut piece of medicine bottle and shove it into there, as you can clearly see. Then you take this end and you stick that like that, and you have a hinge. Then you take the armature wire and you fish it through like so. Then you take your 3D pen and like cover up the wire, and then you would have something like this, and you have a working hinge, which then you can do. Here's another piece. I made 2 of these feet. It's just a project I'm working on. I don't know how it's gonna look, but basically you slide that into there, and then you have a hinge. Then you can make a giant character. That's what I got so far. These wires are basically holding these 2 medicine bottles together until I can find some hot glue gun. Anyway, and it's perfectly poseable. I make it so this can come off. So that way, say like I want my character to be dressed up like a pirate for Halloween, I could just pop off the leg and put in a peg leg, like so. And it works. I actually have 2 of them, like this. Another thing is the foot was a little crooked. It wasn't standing up straight, so I had to put the foot in on a slant with this one. That's why it's not. And it's the reason it's like this is because I ran out of orange filament. But I had plenty of gold filament, or brown filament, or however you call it. But anyway, that's pretty much it. Also, it depends on how wide you want it. You could just take a small, just 1 piece of a bottle and just stick it like that. So the size of the legs varies. You don't need to have it as long as I have. This is just like 1 part of it. But as you can clearly see, you can basically mix and match. Yeah, I know you could probably like get piping to visit, but this is a project only using a 3D pen and some old pill bottles. So that's all I have to show you. Tell me what you think, and I honestly don't know what this is going to look like. I still need to decide what I should use for the body. If you have any suggestions, tell me in the comments below. And just for the record, that's how big it is. It's about the size of my palm. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you like this, drop it a like. Share this video with your friends. And until the next one, this is Edge signing off.